Hi there, my name is Sam Botting. Today we're on stand C130 at the last ever ISE show in Amsterdam. Today I'm showing you our rAVe mobile partitioning system. It's a very unique system with options to have a screen on the front, a whiteboard on the back, the options for connectivity on the front here, which can be customized. You've got a range of fabric choices here. As you see, we've got the blue, but there's about 18 different colors that you can go for. This solution can be used for sort of mobile deployments in offices, boardrooms, university breakout spaces. If you come around to the reverse, my glamorous assistant will help remove one of the panels. So it can be is on key slots, so you can slide out, and internally you have a 19-inch rack with 4 U's worth of rack space, a storage shelf, and inside we've got the Wolf Vision Pure, so we can wirelessly transmit images up to the screen. On the back you've got a whiteboard here, which you can obviously write, and you've got a pen tray. So it's a very unique, flexible system which can be utilised in various applications. If you can join us at www.teammateworld.com for our website, or join us on stand 13 C150. Thank you.